So I propose that any value creation model that requires a custom comp set for every deal is doomed to fail because it will not scale. They are overly complicated and unnecessary because there are better ways to provide better numbers with much less work, especially when it comes to market multiples and market multiple expansion. Market multiples work really well in value creation models because they're ubiquitous. They're intuitive and familiar to both GPs and LPs who talk about them all the time. Because of this, many firms invest significant energy into compiling private equity M&A multiples. Sometimes they even package them into helpful reports and publications and provide commentary about what the trends mean for buyers and sellers. They often include charts that look like this one here, and sometimes they even include very detailed tables like this one, which make an analyst even happier. Get your hands on something like this guy and you're all set. Plug those multiples right into your model, add a footnote to explain where you got the data, save down a copy of the report for backup and future reference, and that's it. No need to build and maintain customized comp sets, no massaging the numbers every quarter to account for anomalies, no need to justify why certain companies are included or excluded, and no need to remember and explain to the SEC why you swapped out IndiaCo with KiloCo 5 years ago. This is one analytical task where it really makes sense to outsource it. Find a report that's published by a respected firm. Do your best to reasonably match the appropriate transaction size, sector, and geography, and then call it a day. Now, the multiples on this page are fake. I made them up with a random number generator, so please don't use them and definitely don't cite me. When I speak to GPs and LPs about sources of private equity M&A multiples, I find that many of them use PitchBook as a source. It's a subscription service, but one to which many of us who work in the industry have access. R.W. Baird's M&A Outlook is another good one that I've used in the past. It's updated several times per year, and it provides some breakdown by transaction size, industry, and geography that can be very useful. Another interesting source is GF Data, especially for smaller middle market transactions under $250 million. They've been working with private equity sponsors since 2006 and appear to have assembled an exceptionally large set of M&A transactions going back to 2003. You can find links to all these sources in the description and on the episode page.